Hey everyone, it's me, your future robotic overlord, aspiring engineer. Today, I'm taking you on a quick virtual tour of the Mechatronics Engineering program at the University of Waterloo. If you like robots, lasers, and things that beep when you press buttons, this one's for you. All right, let's find the page. Where did they hide it? Engineering programs. Mechatronics.
2,000 years later.
Boom, found it. So here it is, Mechatronics Engineering. Basically, it's like building robots and smart systems for real. This program blends mechanical, electrical, software, and control engineering into one mega degree. Think Iron Man's suit, but you start with circuits and math instead of a billion-dollar lab. It's a 5-year degree, and you're not just stuck in lecture halls. You actually build stuff from first year. Now for the scary part, getting in. You'll need grade 12, advanced functions, calculus and vectors, chemistry, physics, and English. Basically, all the courses that make your brain sweat. Most accepted students have mid to high 90s. And you got to fill out something called the AIF, the Admission Information Form. Plus, there's an optional video interview where you can say, "Please pick me. I love robots." Now, this is what makes Waterloo famous, the co-op program. You get 6 paid work terms during your degree. That's real job experience before you even graduate. As a co-op student, you rotate between 4 months of school and 4 months of full-time work. One term you're in class solving equations, and the next you're out in the real world, building stuff and getting paid. Some students get jobs at Tesla, Nvidia, and even Google. Imagine showing up to your first job interview at 22 with a resume that already slaps. Waterloo also has tons of support services to keep you alive, mentally and academically. There's academic advising, tutoring, mental health support, and career services. And for grad students, there's the Graduate Student Association, GSA. These guys run social events, give legal and tax aid, offer a bus pass, and even run a clubhouse with food, drinks, and live events. It's like student life, but with a twist of adulting. Okay, it's not all lectures and lab reports. Waterloo has over 35 student design teams, seriously. You can join UW Robotics, Waterloo Rocketry, Formula Electric, or even build submarines and Mars rovers. It's the perfect way to make friends and apply what you're learning, and also maybe launch a drone into the stratosphere. Who knows? So yeah, Waterloo's Mechatronics Engineering program is kind of insane in the best way. You get real-world experience, tons of support, and a chance to build the future of robotics and smart tech. This is 100% the place I want to be to launch my career as a mechatronics engineer. Thanks for tagging along on this virtual tour. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to design a robot that does my homework.